Hey, this is Barkley and Ashley. Well, Barkley,
Oh my God. What the hell is my hair's messing?
are you hungry, Barkley? Oh.
It's on the other side. Please don't get it by Reese. Okay, my hair needs to down. Okay.
Okay.
Don't, you can't put your hand where you can't see. I'm just gonna go away. No, it's not all the paper off.
Oh my gosh.
You're squishing my boobs together. Okay, my hair's not big. Hold on. The other side. On top.
This looks so funny.
Alright. Give me it too, B. Don't look.
Okay, you gotta take a bite out and you gotta hold it.
Girl, hold it.
Okay, as they're watered.
My hair's in my mouth. Oh, my cheek. Oh my God, my hands are stupid. No.
Okay. Feed her some more, put it all in her mouth at one time. You wasn't expecting that, was you? Okay, now Ashley, she's got a cough. Pat her mouth. Her nose is her nose is itching.
They take a few. No, I'm having coke.
Her eyes are.
I'm swimming. Dude, look at my purse.
Our eyes are watering. Do what? Oh shoot, I'm hiding y'all. What do I get?
My purse. Don't let it fall in my lap. Hands, grab it.
Look like you're really doing it, Berkeley. Looks just like you.
No.
I want one. That'd be one hand.
I want another. Okay. Here comes this boy. Okay. Hold on. Get him.
Hey, boy. Say hey. Come in and say hey. Oh, you. Nigger.
We love you.
Hey, you love him.
Open up my dollar answer. Please don't let my purse fall.
Hey, tell Jeremy we said hey.
No, don't. You're stupid.
Haley Miller thought you and him did something. Yeah.
Jeremy?
She asked me last night about it.
Okay, you gotta get my bangs out of my face. No, oh my God, dude. Okay.
Okay.
What else can we do?
Ashley, her nose is your nose itching?
Maybe you can lipstick check. Lip gloss on me.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be funny.
Where's it at?
You're dumb. It's in her mouth.
Where's it at?
In her mouth.
Oh.
This is gonna be everywhere.
Please don't get all over my face. You got it inside my teeth.
Okay. It's so real. Okay.
Is that your mouth? No.
Just far from her mouth.
Oh my God.
Dip it back in there.
Dude, my face is gonna be tingly. That sounds so weird. Ow, you stabbed me.
Your nose is just running snot out of it. If you would have dropped your camera, it would have been your fault. Oh, stop. Looks like you're having snot running out your nose. Ugh.
Ew. Dude, it's sticky.
Alright, let's see what we got now.